Deep within the forests and grasslands of North America lives one of the world's most colorful songbirds, the painted bunting. Often called a flying rainbow, this tiny bird is famous for its extraordinary mix of bright blue, green, yellow, and red feathers. Male painted buntings display the most vibrant colors, while females and young birds wear softer green shades that help them stay hidden from predators. These beautiful birds prefer warm habitats filled with bushes, shrubs, and tall grasses, where they can safely build their nests and search for food. Despite their small size, painted buntings are active and energetic creatures. They spend most of their day hopping through branches and searching for seeds, insects, and small berries. During breeding season, male buntings sing sweet melodies to attract mates and defend their territory from rivals. Their songs may sound gentle, but these tiny birds can become surprisingly aggressive when protecting their nesting areas. Female painted buntings carefully weave cup-shaped nests using grass, leaves, and plant fibers. Inside the nest, they lay small, pale eggs and patiently care for their chicks until they are ready to fly. As seasons begin to change, painted buntings migrate thousands of miles toward warmer regions such as Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean. Their long journeys across forests, rivers, and coastlines are filled with challenges and danger. Although admired for their beauty, painted buntings face threats from habitat loss and illegal trapping in some regions. Protecting natural habitats is becoming increasingly important for their survival. With their dazzling colors and peaceful songs, painted buntings remain one of nature's most breathtaking masterpieces. A living reminder of the incredible beauty hidden within the wild.